Hello everyone, Brooklyn here with Auto Video Engage, and today I will be explaining why it's important that you are uploading videos to your Google My Business listing. Now, there are a couple of reasons I think this is important. For one, the more obvious reason is you're getting more customer engagement with videos on your page. So say there are a handful of local competitors in your area and you have videos on your page, but they don't, which actually a lot of businesses are not utilizing this feature. So it would be very important for you to hop on before everyone else does. But if you are getting engagement more and standing out more than the other competitors, then you're going to get more traffic to your website and therefore more potential customers. The second reason, which I think is the most important, is you get on Google's side. When you utilize their features, they're going to favor your business more. If you are updating your profile, especially with videos, they actually analyze customer engagement on your page. So if customers are spending more time looking through your content, watching your videos, you will be placed higher in the rankings when somebody searches for a company than everybody else. So it gives you better search visibility, therefore more traffic. There are a couple things you should keep in mind when uploading videos to your Google page. Is one, Google is going to review your videos, so they want to make sure that it's appropriate, of course, and also they want these videos to be relevant to your business. So examples of videos that would be relevant to your business are customer testimonials, meet the staff, you could do a tour of your company, show off your services, your products, your certifications. There are just so many ways that you can be unique on your page to help you stand out, for one, and also to get better search visibility with Google. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.